What is up, everybody? It's nearing the end of summer. Fall is almost here. It's in the air. Well, not really. It's still pretty hot here in North Carolina, but it is time to start planting our cool season vegetables again for fall. And today I'm going to be planting broccoli. All right, let's talk about soil. Broccoli really enjoys a nutrient-rich, neutral to slightly acidic soil. In these beds here, I've had stuff growing all summer. I just ripped it out. Now this bed is leached of nutrients, and we had to work on putting something back into the soil. Compost works great. Cow manure, chicken manure, you name it. Today I'm going to use this Happy Frog. It's what we sell down at the nursery. We've had a lot of success, a lot of customer success with this soil. It's got worm castings, back castings. The ingredients go on and on and on. I'm not going to jump into that today, but it's certainly what we're going to use for this video. Okay, let's talk about spacing next. Broccoli needs to be spaced out about every 18 inches roughly. You can go a little closer, a little further, and the rows need to be about 3 feet apart. This is an 8-foot bed and 4 foot wide. I'm going to do my best to fit all 12 in this bed. Okay, so I got these starter plants here. I'm gonna go ahead and lay them out and see about where they need to go. I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm not a guy that brings out the tape measure with these type situations. I'm just gonna eyeball it roughly 18 inches apart, and we're gonna go from there. Oh yeah, this bell pepper here. It's staying. I'm not ripping it out yet. Bell peppers tend to go all the way to frost. This is the only one we planted, and I'm going to keep it. I should have staked it up. It's kind of drooping out of the bed, but you know, sometimes gardening's just like that. Now, I do want to note here, see these white roots? That is a sign of a healthy vegetable plant. My dad growing up always said if you have these white hairy roots, that's a good sign. It's gotten plenty of nutrient. This plant is ready to go. All right, I think it's time to go ahead and plant these and knock this out. I'm not even going to use a shovel. These raised beds are like luxury. If you don't have them, I just highly recommend them. And before we even start, check out this stuff here. I mean, you can just look at that and just know that that's like dense, rich, nutrient soil. All right, there you go, folks. It wasn't too bad. 12 broccoli plants in these raised beds. Another thing I'll note about broccoli is they love water, especially in the beginning. Make sure you give them plenty of water. If you notice any yellowing leaves at the bottom, it's probably a sign that they dried out at one point in time. Don't worry about that. Just keep them watered and they will recover. This variety of broccoli I planted is called Pac-Man. It typically makes a larger head on top and then a lot of smaller shoots around the bottom, so you get multiple harvests throughout the season. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified every time we release a new video, and we've got more videos coming. Stay tuned.